Assalamu alaikum, my name is Aslam Acha. I'm the branch manager at AKF Bolton. The team and I are here to assist you in performing your Qurbani obligations, and that together we can provide a blessed Eid to the disadvantaged people worldwide. The office will be open Monday to Saturday 9:30 a.m. till 6 p.m. and Sunday 11 a.m. till 4 p.m. at 305 Derby Street, Bolton, BL3 6LH. Feel free to contact us on 01204 382917 or email us at bolton@alkhair.org. We will endeavour to answer your concerns and queries swiftly. We look forward to seeing you at the office, and together we will bring smiles to a million faces across the world this Eid al-Adha. Jazakallah khair.